Every year, there is a new hot service business that everybody wants to start. I've seen people doing epoxy flooring, car detailing, solar panel installation, but I have found a service that nobody is talking about, even though demand for it is exploding faster and faster every year. This business can be open in every single city, and it has almost no competition. Guys, the service that I'm talking about is installing gym equipment. This year alone, my company generated over $700,000, and I started this business without any background in fitness equipment. In this video, I'm going to show you how this business works and why it is so underrated. You're probably thinking that if you own this kind of business, your only customers are going to be commercial gyms. But commercial gyms are not the only one buying gym equipment. Right now, condos, hotels, corporate offices, recreation centers, and homeowners are buying equipment like crazy. And actually, last week I just finished an installation inside of a cruise ship, a full-size gym. The fitness equipment industry is growing every single year. What people are missing here is that there are not enough qualified installers in this industry. And what I mean by qualified are people that exclusively install gym equipment. The installers that we have nowadays are just simply jack of all trades or regular handymans. And usually they're going to be busy in other projects that are not even related to gym equipment. And they leave the customers that I mentioned before, condos, hotels, and business owners hanging without anybody being able to install their equipment. And that's how I have been able to capitalize so much in my business. This is also one of the only service businesses where the equipment keeps getting more advanced every year, which means that you are never going to run out of work. Treadmills and screens are getting bigger. Strength equipment is getting way more complex. And believe me, the skills that you need to run this business are so easy to learn. In other trades, competition rises every single year. In this one, demand rises, but competition always stays flat. And that's why this installation business is so underrated. Now you might be wondering, where can this business take you once it works? Well, let me show you where I'm at with my business now. We're doing about 50 jobs every month. The average install is somewhere between $800 to $2,000 depending on the setup. And we're running 3 trucks with 6 installers every single day. When we started this business, it was only me with basic tools and a truck. And now we got branded vehicles, a reliable system that helps us run the business, and a full roster of repeated clients. And guys, we have been doing so well that we don't have to chase work anymore. Work actually comes to us. And we have turned this business from a one-man hustle to a predictable and stable operation with a long-term partnership with our clients and a recurring revenue every single month. And remember, most cities still have room for more. If you build consistency and reliability, you can grow your business the same way as us. So if you have been looking for a service business that is not saturated, that is in high demand, and that it works in every city, guys, this is the one. So if you want to understand this business from the inside, hit subscribe and follow along, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.